PJ North getting them fired up, and this is your American Race Cars Riggeals Performance Fiberglass and Composites final round. Philip Truitt and Jeff Serra. Truitt was perfect in the semis to earn a bye to the final round. Jeff Serra has let go 000 3 of the last 4 times he's came to the starting line. Brand new American Race Cars rolling chassis on the line. Philip Truitt dialed 549 in the left. Serra 460 on the boards immediately to his right. We're staged up, tree drops. And Jeff Serra is perfect. Once again, win light gonna go to Jeff Serra. 000 get there, 14 to be 1 above. Truitt, 14, 1 above 1 to be 14 thou behind. Jeff Serra, perfect. 4 out of his last 5 trips to the starting line, and he is your champion here on American Race Cars Riggeals Performance Thursday.